Math 5, Quarter 3, Week 2, MELC-BASED. Let's learn about finds the percentage in a given problem and solves routine and non-routine problems involving percentage. Hello kids, it's me, Teacher Frel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the notification bell for the latest video. You can also follow my Facebook page, Teacher Frel TV. Welcome back kids! For today's lesson in Math 5, we will discuss about finds the percentage in a given problem and solves routine and non-routine problems involving percentage. Our most essential learning competencies are finds the percentage in a given problem, solves routine and non-routine problems involving percentage using appropriate strategies and tools. At the end of this lesson, you are expected to find the percentage in a given problem. In the previous lesson, we learned the meaning of percentage. What is percentage? Percentage is a part of a whole. That whole or total is the base, and the number with the percent is the rate. Percentage at a constant rate is directly proportional with the base. In symbols, P equals R times B, where P is the percentage, R is the rate, and B is the base. Note that before applying the formula, rate must be converted to decimal form first. Let us study this. A survey conducted among 120 grade 5 students showed that 15% like swimming. How many of the grade 5 students surveyed like swimming? We have to find 15% of 120 grade 5 students. We can find the percent of a number by using either decimal or a fraction for the percent. With a calculator, a decimal will be more convenient. To find the percentage, first, write the percent as decimal and then multiply. The simple way to convert percentage as decimal is to move the decimal 2 places to the left or divide the percentage by 100. 15%. In decimal, it is 0.15 or 15 hundredths. Or you can divide 15% by 100. 15% divided by 100 equals 0.15 or 15 hundredths. Hence, 15% of 120 equals or 0.15 or 1500 times 120 equals 18. Second, write the percent as fraction and then multiply. Change the percentage to fraction by putting the percentage number over a denominator of 100. Change to simplest form if necessary. 15% can change into fraction. 15 over 100 or 15 hundredths. Hence, 15% of 120 equals 15 hundredths times 120 equals 1,800 over 100. Divide 1,800 by 100 equals 18. By either method, 18 of 120 students surveyed like swimming. With problems in percent, there are 3 quantities related. The base, B, is 120, the rate, R, is 15%, and the required percent of the base, which may be called percentage or P. The 3 are related by equation. P equals R times B, or percentage equals rate times base, where R must be in decimal or fraction form. When two of the three quantities are given, we can find the third. In this section, B and R are given. Check this out. Find 6% of 240. 6% of 240 equals, first, change the percent into decimal form. Change 6% in decimal form, or 6 hundreds. And now, multiply to 240. 6 hundreds times 240 equals 14 and 4 tenths. In finding the percentage of a given number, follow these steps. First, find the rate in the given problem. Second, arrange the numbers vertically. Third, move the decimal point of the given rate twice from right to left. Fourth, multiply the numbers following the steps in multiplication. And fifth, count the number at the right of the decimal point, which will decide where to put the corresponding decimal point. Problem solving involves analytical skills and creative thinking that will help you identify and define the problem. To further enhance your skills, you should apply it in your daily activities. After this lesson, you are expected to solve routine and non-routine problems involving percentage using appropriate strategies and tools. Study how a word problem can be solved. Mario, a boy from a rural area, is a diligent and studious pupil. He goes to school every day and does his work well. He never skips studying his lesson every night. When he took their 50-item quarter examination, he got 96% of it correctly. What is his score? First, understand the problem. A. Know what is as. What is as is his score in quarterly examination. B. What are given? The given are 50-item quarter examination and 96% correct answer. C. What is the hidden question? The hidden question is, what is his score? Second, make a plan. A. Know the operation. The operation to be used is multiplication. B. Write the number sentence. The number sentence is 50 times 96 hundredths equals. Third, carry out a plan or solve. Write the number sentence. So 50 times 9600 equals 48. 48. Number of correct items Mario got out of 50 items test. And fourth, check and look back. Review and check your answer. And now, let us do learning task 1. Letter A, using the formula percentage equals rate times base, find the percentage of each by changing percent to decimal. Write the answer in your notebook. Number 1, 12% of 40 equals. First, change 12% into decimal. 40 times 12 hundredths equals 4 and 80 hundredths, or 4 and 8 tenths. So the answer is 4 and 8 tenths. Number 2, 11% of 90 equals. First, change 11% into decimal. So 90 times 11 hundredths equals 9 and 90 hundredths, or 9 and 9 tenths. The answer is 9 and 9 tenths. Letter B. Analyze and solve the problem. Write the solutions and answers in your notebook. Aling Vicky owned a mango stand. She was able to sell 85% of her 85 kilos of mangoes. How many kilos of mangoes were sold? What is as in the problem? The number of kilos of mangoes sold. What are the given facts? 85 kilos of mangoes and 85% Vicky sell. What is the operation to be used? Multiplication. What is the complete answer? So here is the complete answer. 85 times 85 hundredths equals 72 and 25 hundredths. 72 and 25 hundredths kilos of mangoes were sold. Learning Task 2. Letter A. Use a decimal to find the percentage of each number. Use the formula P equals R times B. Number 1. 3% of 21 equals, change 3% into decimal. 21 times 3 hundredths equals 63 hundredths. Number 2. 23% of 50. Change 23% into decimal. 50 times 23 hundredths equals 11 and 50 hundredths. Change 8% into decimal. 650 times 8 hundredths equals 52. Letter B. Solve the following percentage problem. Answer this in your notebook. 56% of people surveyed said that they exercise on a fairly regular basis. If 7,500 people were surveyed, how many of them exercise regularly? Given 56% of people surveyed and 7,500 were surveyed. First, change 56% into decimal form and then multiply to 7,500. 7,500 times 56 hundredths equals 0 times 6 equals 0, 0 times 6 equals 0, 5 times 6 equals 30, carry up 3, 7 times 6 equals 42 plus 3 equals 45. Next, 0 times 5 equals 0, 0 times 5 equals 0, 5 times 5 equals 25, carry up 2, then 5 times 7 equals 35 plus 2 equals 37. Then add, bring down 0, 0 plus 0 equals 0, 0 plus 0 equals 0, 5 plus 5 equals 10, carry up 1, 4 plus 7 plus 1 equals 12, carry up 1, 1 plus 3 equals 4, then put the decimal point. The answer is 4,200. 4,200 people surveyed exercise regularly. Learning Task 3. Letter A. Complete the table by identifying the percentage of the following items. Rate and base are already given. Number 1. 25% of 40. First, change 25% into decimal form, which is 25 hundredths. Now, multiply. 25 hundredths times 40 equals? Very good. 10. The percentage is 10. Number 2. 10% of 120. First, change 10% into decimal form. 10 hundredths. Then multiply the rate and the base. 10 times 120 equals? Very good. The answer is 12. The percentage is 12. Number 3. 15% of 125. First, change 15% to decimal form. 15 hundredths. And then multiply. 15 times 125, what is the percentage? Very good. The percentage is 18 and 75 hundredths. Letter B. Solve the following percentage problem. Number 1. On their family budget, Manalo family allotted 45% for the education of their children. If the family has monthly income of 13,540 pesos, how much is allotted for the education of their children? Multiply 13,540 times 45% or in decimal, 45 hundredths. So 0 times 5 equals 0. 5 times 4 equals 20, carry up 2. 5 times 5 equals 25, plus 2 equals 27, carry up 2. 5 times 3 equals 15, plus 2 equals 17, carry up 1. And 5 times 1 equals 5, plus 1 equals 6. Next, 0 times 4 equals 0. 4 times 4 equals 16, carry up 1. 5 times 4 equals 20, plus 1 equals 21, carry up 2. 3 times 4 equals 12, plus 2 equals 14, carry up 1. And 4 times 1 equals 4, plus 1 equals 5. Then add, break down 0, 0 plus 0 equals 0, 7 plus 6 equals 13, carry up 1, 7 plus 1 equals 9. 6 plus 4 equals 10, carry up 1, and 1 plus 5 equals 6. Then put the decimal point. The answer is 6,093 pesos. 6,093 pesos is allotted for the education of their children. Number 2. A regular fare of 11 pesos is implemented in a public jeepney. Students are given a 20% discount. How much is the discount? So 11 pesos multiplied by 20% or in decimal 20 hundreds. 1 times 0 equals 0. 1 times 0 equals 0. 1 times 2 equals 2. 1 times 2 equals 2. Then add, bring down 0. 0 plus 2 equals 2. And bring down 2. Then put the decimal point. The answer is 2 pesos and 20 centavos. 2 pesos and 20 centavos is the discount. Learning Task 4. A. Use a decimal to find the percentage of each number. Use the formula P equals R times B. 71% of 240 equals, to get the percentage, change 71% to decimal form and then multiply to 240. What is the answer? Very good. The answer is 170 and 40 hundredths. Number 2. 19% of 400. Change 19% to decimal form. Then multiply to 400. What is the answer? Very good. The answer is 76. Number 3. 45% of 210 equals, what is the answer? Very good. The answer is 94 and 50 hundredths. And number 4, 19% of 300 is, very good. The answer is 57. Letter B. Solve the following percentage problems. Write the answer in your notebook. Use the formula P equals R times B. John Lloyd has participated in 120 on-the-spot drawing competitions. For the last 4 years, he won 75% of them. How many times did he win? So multiply 75% times 120 or change 75% into decimal form. 120 times 75 hundredths equals 0 times 5 equals 0. 2 times 5 equals 10, carry up 1. 1 times 5 plus 1 equals 6. Next, 0 times 7 equals 0. 2 times 7 equals 14, carry up 1. 7 times 1 plus 1 equals 8. Then add, bring down 0. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 6 plus 4 equals 10, carry up 1. 1 plus 8 equals 9. Then put the decimal point. The answer is 90. John Lloyd won 90 times. And now answer the following reflection. Write your personal insights about the lesson using the prompts below. I understand that. I realize that. I need to learn more about. So kids, are your all answers correct? Wow! Good job! Kids, I hope you learn a lot from this lesson. Until our next topic, bye-bye kids! Thanks for watching!